Good morning, children. Today we will start with our fourth part of chapter number 20, and today we will do the topic of terrorism. Now, this word you normally must have heard in media, in TV, okay, and you must be knowing the meaning of terrorism. But still, we will go with the definition of terrorism. Now, what is terrorism? Terrorism is an organized, planned, and a deliberate violent act. Now, this terrorism act is not a sudden act. हम ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कि ये एक्ट अचानक से हो गया. But whenever this act take place, we will see it is an organized act. किसी का प्लान किया हुआ organized act होता है and deliberate violent act. Always you will see it is a deliberate मतलब किसी ने सोच समझ के ये एक्ट किया है. Maybe one person, two person or a group of persons are involved in this act, and always you will see it is a violent act. We will never say that terrorism is a non-violent act. No, we will say always terrorism go with violence. Terrorists are engaged in violent activities like suicide attacks, throwing bombs, hiding bombs and using them, kidnapping, hijacking of plane, suicide attacks, smuggling of narcotic drugs, etc. So all these acts are a part of, we can say, terrorist act. Okay. Suicide attacks means what? You have seen they put up the bombs on their bodies, okay, and then they come in the market area or in a public area and they themselves do suicide with these bombs. So along with themselves they kill so many other people also. Then throwing bombs in public places or where there are more number of people so that they can kill so many people at a time. Hiding bombs and using them. Just they hide the bombs in so many things or in articles. You must have seen कि मिठाई के डब्बे में या gift articles में बम छुपा कर they keep that things in the public places. Okay, so when anybody touch that things or that articles, the bomb blast and so many people are killed at a time. Even they kidnap the planes, even they kidnap the, we can say, vehicles को kidnap कर देते हैं, बड़े बड़े जहाज़ों को kidnap कर देते हैं, and then they demand crores and millions of rupees from government. Okay, hijacking of plane and again suicide attacks, smuggling of narcotic drugs. All these are a part of terrorist activities. Now, in this 21st century, this terrorism act has become a big problem for not only India but in all the other countries also. We can say it is a global problem. Okay. Now this leads to the destruction of human rights, bloodshed, chaos, violence, unrest. All this is being created because of terrorism. Now terrorism does not have any connection with any religion or sect. Yet by linking terrorism with religion, terrorists are getting involved, isn't it? Terrorists involve हो जाते हैं religion के नाम पे. Okay. वैसे तो हम देखा जाए तो these terrorist people don't have any religion, but कभी कभार हम देखेंगे कि religion के नाम पे भी ऐसी सब act हो जाती हैं. So now because of such act, the progress of the nation is being hindered. Progress रुक जाती है उस place की या nation की because of such acts. Now we will study about rebellion and terrorism. Now these two words are nearly synonym, but there is a small difference between rebellion and terrorism. हमको समझना पड़ेगा कि what is rebellion and what is terrorism. Now see the difference. Rebellion is a national problem and terrorism is a global problem. जब कोई एक कंट्री में ऐसी सब एक्ट होती हैं विद इन द बाउंड्रीज, we say those acts are rebellion acts. Terrorism acts, these take place in the country or even the outside country, or we can say people from outside come in our country or our people go in other countries and do such act. Such a thing is called as terrorism. It is spread on the regional level against own government. Rebellion, when people of one place या one region ask something from government and government is not going through their demand, so they do such acts, violent acts पे उतर आते हैं. So these people, the rebellion people, they are against their own government, अपनी ही government से लड़ते हैं. Now in terrorism, it is either against own country or against other countries. It is spread at international level. These terrorist people, sometimes they are against their own country, or sometimes they do such acts in other countries also, and they demand something from the government of other countries also. या demand करे ना करे, they want to destroy something of the other countries. It is carried out with the help of local people. Rebellions, local people do such act, या local people की help से ये सब acts किए जाते हैं. They may or may not get local support in terrorism. टेररिज्म में हो सकता है कि लोकल लोगों की हेल्प ली जा सके, या अदरवाइज दीज टेररिस्ट पीपल आर ऑफ अदर कंट्रीज, दे डोंट टेक एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम लोकल पीपल, बस आकर हमारी कंट्री में घुसकर दे डू सच एक्ट्स. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्टेट इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रिबेलियन इज हिंडर्ड. ओके, जो उस स्टेट है या वो रीजन है उसका डेवलपमेंट रुक जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ सच रिबेलियन एक्ट्स. और अगर टेररिस्ट एक्ट्स होते हैं तो स्पेशली दैट नेशन इज़ बीइंग सफर्ड. टेररिस्ट एक्ट्स आर एट अ बिग लेवल, सो फुल नेशन इज़ बीइंग सफर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज एक्ट्स. Okay, so we can understand that rebellion is a act done at national level, yeah, within the country, and terrorism is a global problem that affects one country or the other country. So it is at international level. Okay, now we will do another topic of Naxalite movement. This also word you must have heard. Now how this Naxalite movement had been started and how it had been started. Now this Naxalite movement was being inspired by Chinese Revolution under the leadership of Mao Zedong, started in West Bengal in 1967. So this movement Chinese Revolution को देखकर, and who was the leader of that Chinese Revolution? Mao Zedong. So this Naxalite movement had been started in West Bengal, okay, in 1967. Now why this word Naxalite had come up? Because it had been started in West Bengal in the village named Naxalbari. Okay, so this movement was known as Naxalite movement. Now starting from West Bengal, this movement had been spread out in other areas like Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Odisha, Tripura and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and these Naxalite people have their own demands. Okay, उनकी अपनी ही कुछ डिमांड्स है फॉर द सेपरेशन ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल, और ईदर दे वांट समथिंग फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. नाउ हियर इन दिस नक्सलाइट मूवमेंट द टू मेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर पीपल्स वॉर ग्रुप एंड माओइस्ट कम्युनिस्ट सेंटर. Okay, so the two organization, People's War Group. Now this organization is specially fighting, okay, against, we can say, from the government. They want a democratic atmosphere in the state, okay, in their own state, and the government should respect people's right to fight for their democratic demands. So there are so many demands asked from these Naxalite people. Now we will move to the topic of insurgency in northeast parts of India. Now since independence, the insurgency in northeastern India has been a perennial problem for India. Now हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न साइड में देखोगे these problems, insurgency का problem जो है, that is an ongoing problem. इंसर्जेंसी इज अगेन वॉट जो जैसे हम टेररिज्म बोलते हैं एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल, अगेन इंसर्जेंसी इज एट द नेशनल लेवल. नाउ सम फैक्टर्स व्हिच स्टिमुलेट इंसर्जेंसी आर मेनी ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज, hilly and forested landscape, mutual cooperation among militant groups, international boundary at few places, and indulgence of foreign agencies. Okay, so these tribal communities have got their own demands. Then hilly and forest land areas हैं तो उसके लिए वो लोग लड़ रहे हैं. There are some militant groups that are have got their own demands. Okay, international boundaries कोई कोई एरियाज़ को टच कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे कुछ फाइट्स चल रही हैं. सो all this is going on in northeastern side of India. Now here are the name of some organization, rebellion organization. Rebel कर रहे हैं ऐसे organization. In some of the state, the name of the state is also given. Like in Nagaland, NSCN. This is National Socialist Council of Nagaland. So this is the name of the organization that is rebellion organization, जो rebel कर रही है, जो against में जा रही है, against the government. Now in Manipur there are two such organizations, KNF Kuki National Front and KNA Kuki National Army. त्रिपुरा में तीन ऐसी organizations हैं, NLFT National Liberation Front of Tripura, All Tripura Tiger Force and Tripura Upajati Jupa Samiti. In Assam again there are four such rebellion organizations, ULFA United Liberation Front of Assam, UMF United Minority Front, NDFB National Democratic Front of Bodoland and BLTF Bodoland Liberation Tiger Force. Okay, so all these are the name of the organizations. These names you have to learn very thoroughly for your multiple choice और even short answers के लिए भी ये पूछे जाते हैं. These rebellion organizations have been struggling for the demand of separate state. You know, some organizations they are demanding a separate state, अपना एक छोटा सा अलग state बनाना है to secure their own political economic interest. अपने कुछ ऐसे political powers चाहते हैं, economic powers चाहते हैं, they want more money for their development of their own state or for the development of their region, or on the question of illegal immigration. Sometimes what happens, so many people, you know, from the international boundaries they come up and settle up in that particular region. वो अपने उस region में आके settle हो जाते हैं. तो जो local people होते हैं उनको ही काम नहीं मिल पाता है, या उनके लैंड का एरिया जो कैप्चर हो जाता है या उनका भाव बढ़ जाता है. दे फेस, लोकल पीपल फेस मैनी प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज ऑफ दीज इमिग्रेंट्स, इज़न्ट इट. सो दे फाइट. वो चाहते हैं कि ये इमिग्रेंट्स जो आए हुए हैं वो अपने देश वापस चले जाएं. सो दीज आर द प्रॉब्लम्स दे आर फेसिंग एंड सो दे फाइट बैक. सो बिकॉज ऑफ इट इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम्स आर डैमेज्ड. Now again we will see so much terrorism is seen in Kashmir also. So what was the issue in Kashmir? Now we know that at the time of independence, India became independent on 15th August 1947, and one day before Pakistan was being independent on 14th August. So India and Pakistan were being created. Now at that time Kashmir was a main part या integral part of India. बट उस टाइम पे हमने पहले भी ये स्टोरी पढ़ी है कि राजा हरी सिंह ही वॉज वेरी इनडिसिसिव एट दैट टाइम. ही डिड नॉट, वी कैन से वॉज नॉट एबल टू टेक द डिसीजन वेदर टू जॉइन कश्मीर विद इंडिया और विद पाकिस्तान. सो एट दैट टाइम जब तक वो डिसीजन ले, व्हाट डिड पाकिस्तान डू? पाकिस्तान कैप्चर्ड 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ कश्मीर. ओके, सो उस 1/3 पार्ट के लिए अभी भी झगड़ा चल ही रहा है. Pakistan says that 1/3 part is there because they have captured it, and India says that no, it is still a part of India. And because of that, so many times, you know, 3 times India और पाकिस्तान के बीच में war भी हो चुकी है, and every time Pakistan is being defeated. But we will see कि war ख़त्म भी हो जाती है, but then also still आज की डेट में भी तुम देखोगे the terrorist acts are going on in Kashmir, and we can say after 1988 these acts have been increased. Again, the acts like kidnapping, murders, bomb explosion, all have been increased in Kashmir. And because of that, the local people, you know, जो कश्मीरी पंडित थे, they have to leave Kashmir and, you know, move away from Kashmir. They have to migrate to other places because they were the main sufferers of all such acts. Okay, and normally we say कि these terrorism acts are being supported across the border. Okay, वहाँ से उनको help मिलती है, they get the weapons or the monetary help across the border, you know, they get all such help. Now, intention of terrorists to create fear and instability in India. The main intention of all this terrorist people is what? That they wanted to create fear and instability. And India had always opposed all such terrorist acts, isn't it? And even we will see हमारे जो soldiers हैं, they have given their lives to save the citizens of Kashmir or to save the citizens of India, isn't it? And इतने सारे हमारे soldiers शहीद भी हो गए हैं to stop all such acts. Now these terrorist acts, they have a great impact or effect on the social life of the people and also create an economic impact on the country. Okay, so first we will study about the social effects of terrorism. Now, first of all, it leads to the disintegration of nation. Again, disintegrate करना मतलब तोड़ना. So because of all such acts, the country is being disintegrated. Now it creates fear and suspicion in people. Now you will see कि ऐसे सब एक्ट होते हैं तो हमको दूसरे लोगों की तरफ डर लगा रहता है या हमको सस्पिशन इज व्हाट डाउट होता है कि कहीं ये टेररिस्ट तो नहीं है. दूसरे लोगों को देखकर हमारे मन में कभी कभी ऐसा आ जाता है अगर हमारे आसपास ऐसे सब एक्ट्स होते रहते हैं तो. एजुकेशन सफर्स एडवर्सली इन टेररिज्म अफेक्टेड एरियाज. यू विल सी जहाँ पे ऐसे दंगे फसाद ज़्यादा होते हैं वहाँ पे स्कूल्स ज़्यादा करके बंद रहते हैं. बच्चों की पढ़ाई पे बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हो जाता है. म्यूचुअल फेथ एंड फीलिंग ऑफ ब्रदरहुड डिमिनिशेस, इजंट इट. लोगों को एक दूसरे के ऊपर फेथ नहीं रहता. भाईचारा की भावना जो होती है वो कम होती जाती है. लीड्स टू कम्युनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. chaos and unrest is generated in society. People in the name of religion they start fighting. Terrorism acts तो हो जाती हैं but then वो society में you will see लोग आपस में in the name of religion they fight among themselves. Chaos and unrest. Chaos is people को डर लगा रहता है, mindset नहीं होता है, they are very unrest. And people cannot celebrate social functions. उस एरियाज़ में देखोगे कि अगर कोई ऐसा बड़ा एक्ट हुआ है जहाँ पे इतने सारे लोगों की डेथ हुई है तो नॉर्मली जो कमिंग अप फेस्टिवल होगा पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू सेलिब्रेट ऑल सच फेस्टिवल्स. इंटर रिलेशंस कनेक्टिंग पीपल आर डिसरप्टेड. ओके, सो लोगों के बीच में जो रिलेशंस हैं वो टूटते जाते हैं इन सच एरियाज. यूनिटी इज़ बीइंग कम देखी जाती है ऐसे एरियाज में यूनिटी. नाउ इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट इन टेररिज्म. मनी वाइज हाउ द नेशन सफर्स. बिजनेस एंड ट्रेड इज़ एडवर्सली इफेक्टेड ड्यू टू टेररिज्म. हम देखेंगे जहाँ पे ऐसी सब एक्ट्स होती हैं तो उस एरिया में लोग बिजनेस करना नहीं चाहते हैं, वहाँ पे बिजनेस एंड ट्रेड इज़ लो. डर लगता है लोगों को उन एरियाज में बिजनेस करने का. पीपल माइग्रेट टू अदर प्लेसेस. नेचुरली व्हेन बिजनेस इज़ लेस या बिजनेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं लोग तो बिजनेस अगर ठप होता जाता है, लोग कमा नहीं पाएंगे तो दे लीव दैट एरियाज एंड दे मूव टू द अदर एरियाज टू डू द बिजनेस एंड टू सेटल डाउन एंड टू अर्न मनी. दे मूव टू द other places. Some terrorist organizations extort money from rich industrialists, employees, businessmen. These people they want money. Weapons खरीदने के लिए या अपनी act के लिए they want money. So what they do? They kidnap their children या कुछ ऐसी हरकतें करेंगे and then they try to extort money from these businessmen in crores and in millions of rupees. Social economic problem arises due to drug trafficking and black money. Okay, black money rotate होता है ऐसी सब areas में ज़्यादा. Okay, drug trafficking होती है तो अगर people are involved in taking drugs so it will affect their health also. So socially and economically that area is we can say going down. उधर सब degrade होता जाएगा. Railways, radio stations, roads, bridges and other government offices are destroyed. Crores of rupees to be spent to re-establish them. These people in their acts, they destroy roads, they destroy bridges, बम फेंक देते हैं बड़ी बड़ी buildings के अंदर and they try to kill as many as people and they try to destroy such infrastructure. तो अगर एक such बिल्डिंग गिर जाती है, तो what you will see, again to re-establish such building, crores and millions of rupees are to be spent. So it is totally a loss of money, totally a loss of time, as well as the loss of people's lives. Okay, और गवर्नमेंट को भी बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान उठाना पड़ता है to re-establish such offices and to re-establish such infrastructure. Crores are spent for safety and security of people. हर कंट्री को डर लगा रहता है with these terrorist people. For the safety of those areas or for the safety of the people, गवर्नमेंट ने इतने सारे सोल्जर्स, इतने सारे वेपन्स खरीद के रखे हैं. सो गवर्नमेंट स्पेंड सो मच अमाउंट, isn't it, on such safety and security of the people. National and state transportation and tourism industries suffer a great loss. You will see nothing much develops in that areas. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ज़्यादा डेवलप नहीं हो पाएगा, लोग आना जाना ही नहीं करते हैं, बिजनेस डेवलप नहीं होता है, तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन भी कम डेवलप होगा. एंड टूरिज़्म इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो इज़ नॉट मच डेवलप्ड इन दीज एरियाज. लोगों को डर लगता है. आज हमको भी सोचना पड़ता है, अगर हम, मेरे पास अगर है अमाउंट एंड आई विल से कि मुझे साउथ घूमने जाना है या कश्मीर घूमने जाना है, तो नॉर्मली 80% पीपल विल प्रिफर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स साउथ और टूवर्ड्स द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. Okay, and they will think twice in going such areas where such acts are more. So tourism industry is also suffering because of such acts. Okay, so again these topics are being given on page number 173, 174 and 175 of your textbook. Each and every topic is of 3 marks nearly, and go through such topics. Read the topics from the textbook, all given in easy and understandable language. Okay, if not understood, you can call me beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.